Did you know in your city there are millions upon millions of people that would love to become a video content creator, that would love to learn online marketing strategies, tactics, methods on how to actually put themselves out in the marketplace in the hopes of building something big. If you can show, teach, educate, embody, empower people to be able to do online marketing to the best of their ability, and you feel in your gut, in your heart, you know what, you can truly serve, inspire, and be a positive influence for people. Why not you coach people one on one? This can be your high ticket offer, whereby you can charge people 2,000 rand per hour or 1,000 rand per hour based upon your service or level of value you perceive yourself having, or the knowledge you have that you can actually pass on to people that you are coaching, for them to be able to step up, to raise their standard, and to actually, go out into the world and explore their talents here on the social media platforms. If you feel the need to actually, show people what you are doing pertaining digital marketing, online tactics and strategies and methods and formulas to get someone from point A being stuck to point C, getting results and building their dream life on the smartphone using the social media tools and social media platforms to just to excel and to pursue their career path or to build a better future for themselves. Teach people one on one. This is a high ticket offer. You can charge 3,000 rand or $3,000 per hour, or 5,000 rand or $5,000 per hour, and say it in your videos. This is what you are charging, or document your video, run a Facebook ad for more people in your city or the proximity or the mile radius that you are trying to target, and people will actually reach out to you wanting or needing your service. And your high ticket offer can actually make more money than your low ticket offers in general. So that is something you can start looking into in the year of 2026. Thank you and you're welcome.